I always knew that I wanted to be a business owner, even when I was in the Royal Veterinary College. When I think back 5 years to when we were first opening up, a lot of the software was server-based software rather than cloud-based software. Cloud-based was pretty much in its infancy in the UK at that point. The server-based software would have cost me tens of thousands of pounds on day one just to get it up and running, whereas ezyVet was a few £1,000s. It was very, very, very much cheap. It wasn't even in the same league. That was a big factor in the choice. The other thing was that a lot of the traditional software manufacturers weren't updating the software that frequently, and I could see that ezyVet was, having integrations added to it all the time, and they had a presence already in other countries, so I could see what they were doing, for example, in Australia or the USA, and that was quite a big attraction for me because I had worked at practices where the software was in development limbo for months or even years before a patch came out, and I didn't want that to be the case. I wanted it to be something that was always being worked on and improved upon.
You can just get a really good overall feel for what's happening with the day and where you can squeeze in that extra consult here or there. If you ask it to do something, it does it. There's no bouncing backwards and forwards and wondering why something hasn't worked or hasn't been recorded.
I feel that ezyVet, biggest thing going for it was the integrations. For example, Xero, the accountancy software. I've worked at practices where they would literally employ a person to manually type every transaction from their computer record into, I think it was Sage at the time. So basically they were doing the job twice and paying a salary for somebody to do that, and that was their entire job. Whereas with ezyVet, literally you produce your invoice, there is a period of waiting for it to lock down, and then it's gone and it doesn't need any further intervention. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that remote feature payment through from WinCave. We'll be able to automatically take payments for cancellations, with no-shows, because we'll be able to charge a cancellation fee, much like a hotel would do. Yeah, I'd definitely recommend ezyVet to other small clinics of 2 to 9 users. I think that it's good value for money. I think the automation side of it makes it really powerful for small practices. Maybe you don't have a huge admin team to be able to manually do the tasks that are required in running a practice. It's like the automated SMS, automated email system for reminders. They can definitely capture either lost charges or dropped appointments as well.
Definitely consider ezyVet for your kind of day-to-day practice management software. Definitely worthwhile. Does what it says on the tin.